All right, welcome back. So, in this tutorial, we will learn about how to use pivot chart. We have learned about how to create a normal chart by going here and inserting the chart. Now, if we wanted to create a pivot chart, then we will put our cursor somewhere on the pivot. Then we'll go in pivot analyze. Then here we find pivot chart. Just click here. You will find a lot of different options to create your chart. Just concentrating on a particular chart like cluster column, click OK. Now we can see that we have a chart here. There are some few unusual options are there that we will be discussing further. So first making it a secondary line so that we can see it. Okay, now we have this chart. We have different values by the month, January, February, March, and these are the totals sold. These are the units sold. These are the total sales. Now, how this pivot chart will work. So let's suppose that I am filtering this data to 4 months or 5 months. Now you see these all other values has also been moved out. Now let's suppose that I will change this month to product. You can see that it automatically gets changed. So this pivot chart is very much connected with pivot table. So whenever we will change the value in the pivot table, the graph will also get changed. Now let's suppose that I wanted to make it average, not sum. Now you see these values also got changed. So this is the criteria. This is this. All those values in the pivot chart will be automatically getting changed as soon as we are changing the pivot table. Now one more option that we can use is the slicer. Slicer is a feature which came in 2016 onwards, and it helps us filtering the data. To use the slicer, we will go here and we can use this option insert slicer. Just click here. So let's suppose that I wanted to product ID and customer order. Now we see there are two floating boxes are available here, and it has all unique values of that particular column, like order date. So all unique values January till December is available here. In the same way, product ID, all product IDs are available here. Now how it works, like suppose that I will select this P1, it automatically gets changed. Let's suppose now I wanted to pick three different values, P101, 301, and 50. It also got filtered, just three values. Now you can see here. And in the same way, it also got changed. So this slicers are very useful function, very useful feature in pivot table. By this, you can shorten your data. You can just filter your data. You can use it in with multiple criterias like this. like this. Everything got changed. You can change some slicer feature by here, like this. There are different features that you can do with slicer also. All right, thank you for watching this pivot table video. I hope you like this.